Hello student, I am Shivam Shukla. Today I am telling you types of crystalline solid and properties of each type of solid. Types of crystalline solid. Crystalline solid are of four types. Number 1 ionic solid, number 2 covalent solid, number 3 molecular solid, number 4 metallic solid. Now first I am telling you ionic solid and properties of ionic solid. Those solid in which constituent particles are ions is called ionic solid. Dear student, वे सॉलिड जिसमें कंस्टिट्यूएंट पार्टिकल्स आयंस होते हैं उन्हें हम लोग कहते हैं आयनिक सॉलिड. सो लुक हियर, आयनिक सॉलिड. इन आयनिक सॉलिड कंस्टिट्यूएंट पार्टिकल्स आर आयंस. इसमें जो कंस्टिट्यूएंट पार्टिकल्स हैं वो आपके आयंस होते हैं. आयंस आपके टू टाइप के होते हैं, कैटायन एंड एनायन. फर्स्ट इज कैटायन, सेकेंड इज एनायन. बॉन्डिंग फोर्स इज कोलम्बिक फोर्स. बॉन्डिंग और अट्रैक्टिव फोर्स इज कोलम्बिक फोर्स और इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक फोर्स. Physical nature is hard but brittle. Hard but brittle. Brittle means easily breakable. Electrical conductivity. Insulator in solid state. Insulator in solid state. Insulator in solid state but conduct electricity in molten state. Conduct electricity in molten state or in aqueous solution. In molten state or in aqueous solution. Conduct electricity in molten state or in aqueous solution. After this melting point of ionic solids are high. An example of ionic solids are sodium chloride, potassium chloride, magnesium chloride, calcium chloride. So these are the important properties of ionic solids. Now student, I am telling you covalent or network solid. So second is covalent or network solid. In this solid, constituent particles are atoms. Constituent particles are atoms and bonding or attractive force is covalent bonding. Covalent bonding. And after this, physical nature. Physical nature is hard. Physical nature of covalent solids are physical nature is hard. After this, electrical conductivity. Covalent solid are insulators. Insulators. They are insulators except graphite. And after this, fourth point is a melting point. Melting point of covalent solid is very high. Melting point is very high. Example, diamond, graphite, you know very well, these are the allotropes of carbon. diamond and graphite and Buckminster fullerene is the allotrope of carbon. Now after this, next is number 3. Number 3 is molecular solid. Molecular solid. Now dear student, molecular solids are of 3 types. Non-polar molecular solid, number 2 polar molecular solid, number 3 hydrogen bonded molecular solid. Now, constituent particle in molecular solids are molecules. So, constituent particles are molecules. Constituent particles are molecules. In non-polar molecular solid, constituent particles are molecules. In polar molecular solid, constituent particles are molecules. And hydrogen bonded molecular solid, constituent particles are molecules. Now after this, bonding force. Bonding force in case of non-polar molecular solid is dispersion force or London force. Dispersion in case of non-polar molecular solid, bonding force is dispersion force or London force. In case of polar molecular solid, force is dipole-dipole interaction. In case of hydrogen bonding or attractive force is hydrogen bond. Physical nature. In case of physical nature, they all are soft. They are soft. In case of non-polar molecular solid, bonding or attractive force is dispersion force or London force. Dispersion or London force. In case of polar molecular solid, bonding force or attractive force is a dipole-dipole interaction. Dipole interaction. In case of hydrogen bond molecular solid, bonding or attractive force is hydrogen bond. Hydrogen bond. After this, next point, physical nature. Physical nature. In case of physical nature, I have just told you that a physical nature of molecular solid and its types are soft. But in case of hydrogen bonded molecular solid, physical nature is hard. After this, electrical conductivity. Fourth point is electrical conductivity. In case of electrical conductivity, molecular solid are insulator. They are insulator. So, in case of electrical conductivity, molecular solids are insulator. Insulators. So, this is the electrical conductivity. Now, next point is melting point. Melting point is very low. Melting point is very low. Melting point is very low. In case of molecular solid, melting point is very low. Student, I am telling you last time about molecular solid. So look here once again, molecular solid. Molecular solid are of 3 types: non-polar molecular solid, polar molecular solid, hydrogen bonded molecular solid. In a molecular solid, constituent particles are molecules. Bonding force or attractive force in case of non-polar molecular solid, dispersion force or London force. In case of polar molecular solid, dipole-dipole interaction. In case of hydrogen bonded molecular solid, hydrogen bonding. Next, after this, physical nature. Physical nature of non-polar molecular solid is soft. polar molecular solid is soft, but hydrogen bond is hard. After this, next point is electrical conductivity. So, in case of molecular solid, they are insulator. They do not conduct electricity. They are insulator. Next point, melting point. Their melting point. Melting point, non-polar and polar molecular solid is very low. Melting point is very low. So we can say their melting point is very low. And after this example of non-polar molecular solids are hydrogen H2, hydrogen molecule H2, iodine molecule I2, Cl2. In case of polar molecular solid, example of polar molecular solid is HCl H2O, because they contain two pole, positive and negative. After this, hydrogen bonded molecular solid, example is water, ice. Next, metallic. Number 4 is a metallic solid. In metallic solid, constituent particles are positive ion surrounded by electrons, or we can say positive ion delocalized by electrons. Positive ions in a sea of delocalized electrons. Bonding or attractive force is here metallic bond. In this case, bonding or attractive force is metallic bond. Metallic bond, and physical nature is hard, malleable and ductile, because these are especially metals. Electrical conductivity, they conduct electricity in solid state and molten state. Melting point of metallic solids are high. Example of metallic solids are copper, silver, aluminium. So dear student, these are the important properties of different types of crystalline solid. Dear student, prepare it. Good day. Take care. God bless you.